Here we go. Bell Cow Authentics, a box of 13. This is out of 35 only. So a lot of headliners left. Not that many boxes left, guys. 35 box series, a limited availability. All authentics. See what we're starting with. How about starting with some fire, Dylan? How does that sound?
That's good.
Ooh. I like this one. All right, so Zachary Erickson, I mentioned, is a Bears fan, right? He's a smart guy. Here comes a Bear, Mr. Erickson. Zach Erickson. We got the fridge. William Perry. Super Bowl champion inscription. We got the fridge inscription as well. Big man. He was a big dude. A very good defensive lineman. Also scored a touchdown in that Super Bowl. William, the refrigerator Perry, NFC North. We got Zachary Erickson. Congratulations. Single spot snipe on the William Perry. Fantastic. Love the Super Bowl Shuffle. Love the Bears. Love William Perry. That is JSA certified there, Mr. Zachary. Congrats on your dub. Very nice.